Welcome back to another video of English with Collins. In today's video, we're going to be doing something completely different. Usually, I make videos on vocabulary, pronunciation, and just a little bit of the standard American English accent and fluency. But in today's video, we're actually going to do real-time practical exercises today, right from home. If you're watching this on your screen or wherever you're watching this from, before we begin anything, the link to the PDF in which I'm going to be reading is down below. All I want you guys to do is go ahead and click on that link and it will take you directly to the PDF and you guys will be able to follow along with everything that I'm teaching you. Today, we're going to do some practical exercises when it comes to the American English accent. I will read my line and you will read your line. So what I want you to do is I want you to go ahead and put on your best American English accent that you can ever think of, right? Bring it out, read with me, okay? This is going to help you practice your English and at the exact same time, help you develop the best American accent as much as possible, all right? The goal is to be able to speak clearly and also fluently, okay? And sound more like a native. So if you're ready, let's jump right in. So before me, I have this very first dialogue, right? So essentially, this is a conversation between two friends, Jake and Marcus. By the way, I'm going to be Jake, all right? I'm going to be Jake, and you, who is at home, is going to be Marcus, okay? So I'm going to be Jake, you're going to be Marcus, and basically, two friends, Jake and Marcus, are sitting courtside at a basketball game watching their favorite teams battle it out, okay? They're talking about the players, reacting to the game, and using plenty of American English pronunciation features, including the A sounds such as that you will find in words like cat, fast, slam, and the R sounds, right? Remember, the R sounds in the American English accent, it's really clear, so we need to hear what you're saying as you're speaking it. So the R sounds being car, court, player, and flap T sounds, okay? Remember, the flap T, the T itself is turned into a D when it comes to the pronunciation. Words such as butter becomes butter, better becomes better, gotta becomes gotta, okay? So butter, better, gotta. And linking sounds, going to becomes gonna, out of becomes outa, okay? So that's what we're gonna be doing today in this dialogue. Let's jump right in. I'm gonna start reading. I'm Jake, you're Marcus. Let's go. I'm Jake. I'm gonna say, yo, Marcus, this game is crazy. The energy in here is wild. That was your turn. Man, look at Carter. He's a beast on the court. That last dunk, mad nasty. Exactly. But yo, the point guard is mad quick. He cut through our defense like butter. Nah, he's solid. He just need to slow down a bit. Yo, watch this. He's about to take a shot. Bro, you can't be missing those in a close game. That's gotta be automatic. Oh, that was nasty. He got hit and still finished that layup. That's tough. Bro, this is what I love about basketball. That raw energy, the hustle, the passion, ain't nothing like it. For real. Yo, I swear I just heard Carter say, you too small after that bucket. He's wild for that. Yo, check the scoreboard. We up by 3 with a minute and a half left. Facts. If we get another bucket, it's pretty much over. Oh my G, that was cold. Game over, bro. Pack it up. Sheesh, what a game. Hey, you trying to hoop tomorrow? Yeah, you definitely need some practice. But hey, let's grab some food first. I'm starving. Excellent, excellent. You did an amazing job by reading along with me. Now, this time around, right, we're actually going to switch roles, all right? So you're going to be Jake, and I am going to be Marcus, okay? You're going to be Jake, and I'm going to be Marcus. And what I want you to do is I want you to go ahead and read just the same way as I was reading. And let's go. For real, bro. They're playing fast, but our team got to step it up. The defense is kind of slacking. Facts. He got that power. You see the way he went hard in the paint? Ain't nobody stopping that. Yeah, dude's got handles. But he's a little reckless, you know, almost turned the ball over like 3 times. Coach got to pull him out of there if you don't chill. Oh, man, he missed. That was wide open. No doubt. Hey, look at Carter again. He's about to drive. What? Yo, that's an and one. And listen to the crowd. They going crazy right now. Facts. Ain't no other sport got this kind of hype. And the way the players talk trash, hilarious. That's what I'm talking about, man. Gotta have that confidence. If you ain't talking, you ain't playing. This is crunch time, man. They gotta be smart with the ball. No dumb passes. Bet. Let's lock in. Yo, he's dribbling, cross spin, step back. Oh, snap. He hit that. That's a wrap. This arena about to explode right now. Say less. I gotta work on my jumper though. My shot been looking suspect lately. I'm with you on that. Let's roll. Well done. Well done. Thank you so much for actually staying tuned. If you guys really like this version, you know what I'm saying? I know this video is not necessarily too long. If you would like to see more of this, go ahead and comment down part 2. I'll make another video like this for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you really enjoyed this video. Stay blessed.